Greetings, fellow marketers. I'm delighted to have you back on our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the realm of affiliate marketing, focusing on a true industry titan, Affilorama. If you're hungry for affiliate marketing success and eager to amplify your online earnings, you've landed in the right place. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the intricacies of Affilorama, its game-changing training programs, and the art of crafting profits through affiliate marketing. Let's kick off our exploration with an in-depth Affilorama review. Imagine a world where affiliate marketing becomes not just a venture, but a true partnership for your success. Affilorama is precisely that. An all-encompassing affiliate marketing platform, brimming with tools, resources, and training to cater to marketers at every stage of their journey. With its user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational content, Affilorama stands as a beacon of guidance for both novices and veterans. Whether you're testing the waters or sailing in experienced waters, Affilorama has you covered. Now, let's delve into the beating heart of Affilorama. Its meticulously crafted training programs. Think of these programs as your personal compass, guiding you through the labyrinth of affiliate marketing. From fundamental groundwork to advanced strategies, Affilorama's array of step-by-step training modules are your secret weapon. Niche research, keyword optimization, content creation. These aren't just buzzwords, but skills you'll master through Affilorama's training. Your evolution from an affiliate marketing enthusiast to an expert is their mission. The crescendo of our symphony is, of course, the sweet sound of making money. Affilorama hands you the quintessential tools and wisdom to unlock this symphony. You'll become a virtuoso in promoting affiliate products with finesse, orchestrating targeted traffic to your offers, and conducting the grand conversion into tangible revenue. Keep in mind, affiliate marketing is the art of nurturing a passive income stream, and Affilorama's training serves as your maestro's baton. Now, let's dissect the anatomy of making money with Affilorama. Begin by enrolling in their illuminating training programs, soaking in the wealth of insights. The real magic happens when you translate this knowledge into actionable strategies for your affiliate marketing campaigns. From weaving captivating content to optimizing your website for conversions, Affilorama acts as your guiding light at every step. The transformational process is simple. Learn, apply, and watch your efforts materialize into profit. In our grand finale, let's spotlight the crown jewel, the Affilo Blueprint. This flagship training program stands as Affilorama's magnum opus, taking you on an awe-inspiring expedition to construct a thriving affiliate marketing empire from the ground up. With a laser focus on actionable steps and real-world illustrations, the Affilo Blueprint is akin to having a seasoned mentor igniting your path. Upon completing this program, you'll possess not just knowledge, but a tangible roadmap to victory and the unwavering confidence to traverse it. To wrap up our enlightening voyage, Affilorama emerges as an unparalleled powerhouse in the affiliate marketing realm. By extending top-tier training, a treasure trove of resources, and state-of-the-art tools, Affilorama serves as the compass, pointing towards your income aspirations. Whether you're taking your first strides or dancing in the spotlight, Affilorama bestows you with the keys to the affiliate marketing kingdom. Click the link below to get Affilorama Insider Scoop. Thank you for joining us today. Your pursuit of affiliate marketing mastery is well underway. Until our next rendezvous, keep unraveling the tapestry of affiliate marketing. Remember to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to stay updated with our latest insights. Until next time, keep honing your marketing craft and watch your dreams take flight. Happy marketing!